Hi and welcome to this short demonstration on the product and services function in Nomi. Step 1 is to ensure that product and services are enabled under the settings. So you go Settings, Sales, Edit, Products, Enable, and then press it. Then products will appear on the panel to the left. Click on Products, and then you can add a new product or service by clicking New in the top right hand corner. Then you enter a name. You can enter a description of some kind, the cost price and the sale price, and then it will appear. The business is listed as no VAT currently, but if it was a VAT business, it would give you the option to adjust the VAT type under Edit. You can also add a service, enter the cost price. Now you can increase the quantity of a product, but you can't increase the quantity of a service. That's not applicable. To increase the quantity of a product, you go to Increase Stock. It will bring you to Add a Supplier Bill. You can select the supplier from the drop-down list, or add a new supplier by clicking the plus next to it, enter the business name, and then press Save. The quantity you'll have to add, but the unit price will already be populated because you entered the cost price when creating the product. You can amend this here. Then press Save. And then it will increase the quantity, give you an average cost, total cost, and unit price cost. It's no longer giving you the option to delete because an entry has been added, but if no entry has been added, like under dog walking, then you can just delete it. When creating a product or a service, it will also create a nominal code for that product or service. So you can select from the drop-down menu the nominal code that you wish to select. You can search it by using the description, or filter it by whether or not it's a product or a service. To see the nominal codes, you go up to Advisor Tools and then under Shortcuts, Nominal Code, and you can also search for it here. It will give you the income type and the asset. That's everything.